Most of the contact police officers have with the general public is on a traffic stop. And you can find out a lot about that person in that 10 to 15 minute window, whether they're having a good day, a bad day, or a horrible day. And then we got this idea, what if we could change that person's day in real time? What if we could change that person's day right now?
Got all your Christmas shopping done?
No, I haven't even started. Yeah, she wants like Lego Friends. I don't know if you've ever heard of those.
Oh yeah, my daughter loves Lego Friends. They're great.
Lego what? Friends? Daughter wants Lego Friends? Okay. Got it.
Go.
We got 3.
Any other kids or just the one?
I got another one. Yeah, I got a son.
What does he want?
Well, you know, he's only 5.
Yeah.
So he has all these things that he wants that are unrealistic. Like I'm not gonna be able to get.
Like what?
Like this electric scooter.
Something like this?
Oh my God! Yeah.
Alrighty, well, you want to open up the back seat or your trunk?
Was I really getting pulled over?
Yeah, you got pulled over. You got illegal tinted windows.
Oh my God! She just put that on her list.
And the
we just went through and did the list.
and the high school.
Oh my God!
Pretty
No
awesome.
way. Oh my God! Can I hug you? Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
So am I getting it? I'm not getting a ticket, right?
I can give you one if you want.
No,
If you open it, right?
What?
Have you tried those?
No,
Will those maybe fit?
Exactly what I was hoping for when I said that.
This is
What the heck?
insane. Can I have it?
You can have that.
Thank you.
And there's something there for you too, sir.
Okay, thank you.
My best friend. Oh my God! You're kidding me. Oh, I want to hug you. That was so great. Thank you.
Something your little boy might like?
This just turned my bad day into a good one.
What?
Yeah.
Are you joking?
No, it just fell off the back of a truck. You know, you didn't see the guy in the red sleigh? Sorry, the wrap job isn't perfect, you know. It's a little windy out. Huh? Well, we got radios and sleighs and magic elves and stuff. The Xbox One.
Yeah.
That's what your kids want.
Yeah,
That's the go-to present for your kid.
yeah, but it's all that they're not gonna have it.
Go, let's go. To the car,
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh my God. The kid's gonna love this.
How about you? Huh? I'm looking at maybe a new TV.
We were talking about that for the room for our bedroom because goofball here knocked our LCD over.
Oh yeah?
And it cracked the entire thing.
So you need a new TV, huh?
Yes.
Thank you. Something like this?
Yeah, something very similar to that.
Alrighty, we'll open up your door, boss.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Huh? Merry Christmas. You're welcome. Merry Christmas.
Man, that sure is nice of you. I mean, I've been pulled over by police officers before and they've always been good to me, but never this good.